Welcome to Ask Matt a Question, episode 28. And our question for today is, should I be worried about the national debt and what it means for my investments? And I would start with the national debt is real and a legitimate long-term concern. However, it's been alarming for decades. So even though the number continues to rise, it's rising in correlation with other things like our gross domestic product and things like that. So it's not quite as concerning as it would be if we weren't growing. So along those lines, markets have consistently risen through periods of rising debt, and correlation is not causation. There's real risks other than the debt, and those are inflation, things getting more expensive, higher interest rates, the rate to borrow or access money, and currency devaluation. A dollar buying 50 cents worth of stuff over time. And so those are more concerning over the long-term horizon. But what you can do is make sure you're diversified across different asset classes, across all the different things we've talked about in the past, making sure you have non-correlated assets. Your 30-year investment horizon dwarfs any single policy cycle. And really, don't let political anxiety about debt drive short-term portfolio decisions. What a lot of people do is they get scared and they pull their money out at the wrong time, or the opposite being true, they invest at the wrong time. And I do think there are some fixes for the debt over the next several months. We just got word that the gold is in Fort Knox. So they did an audit, and the US has over $1 trillion worth of gold. And so, in combination with gold and the crypto reserve, there are some ways that we can bring real value back to the dollar. And there's a whole combination of steps that have happened, that are happening, and need to happen that can bring that into fruition. But along the way, we've seen some of those things happen already. Knowing that the gold is actually there is crucial to that. So where I was more concerned about the debt maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I'm less concerned about it today. So I hope that answers your questions, and we will talk to you soon.